Let's make a butter board. If you haven't seen this viral trend, pay attention because it might be the best one yet. Think a charcuterie board, but for butter. I added Malden flake salt, goat cheese, fig jam, fresh figs, strawberries, honey, red pepper flakes, cinnamon, and crushed walnut. And you can't forget the crispy sourdough. There's so many ways you can make this, and it's perfect for sharing.
To remove most of its weight, resulting in a thicker consistency than normal. It still has a slightly sour taste, and it's a healthier alternative to the butter board. And for the vegetables, I hit up my local Kroger store, Ralph's, and topped it with cucumbers and olive tapenade, bell peppers, and the most important thing are these: za'atar and samin. Za'atar is actually a spice mixture that includes herbs alongside toasted sesame and dried sumac, which gives it this nice tangy flavor. Toast up some pita